Once upon a time, there was a girl and her sister and her baby sister that wanted to go exploring. But her older sister said, no, we cannot go exploring because Mom and Dad said before they died, you cannot go exploring even though without an adult or an older person besides your sister, your older sister. You have to take the baby. If the baby gets tired, you have to lay her down for a nap and wait for her to wake up and bring her bottle and food in case she gets hungry. And so, anyway, they didn't listen to their mom's instructions or their dad's. They disobeyed them, and they went out all by themselves with their older sister, exploring. And they brung the baby, which is her, and they brung the baby, and the baby was so delighted that she went off by herself, and a bear found her. And a pony found her, and she was like, "Wah, wah, I want mama, I want mama." But their mom was dead, and their dad. They couldn't have a mom or dad. They were so sad that they had to live with their aunt, and their aunt told them not to go exploring too, but they did. Because their older sister and their older school and their older sister said, "Shh, let's tiptoe outside with the baby and go exploring." And they did. Right? Yeah, they did. Let's go to the next scene and cut. Next scene, practice.